Moraine, one of Northwest Calgary's newest communities. Why would you move here? Well, do you like convenience? This property is minutes to Beacon Hill, which has all the shopping, schools, and outlets you could want. Do you like being outside with the kids, walking the dog? You're 25 minutes from Big Hill Springs National Park, where you can get out there and enjoy the outdoors. More importantly, do you work downtown? With the new Stony Trail, you can be there in 20 to 30 minutes. You ready to move here yet? Wait till you see the rest of the house. Let me show you one of my favorite parts about this home. Everybody I hear talks about, oh, I don't have enough counter space. Well, we got a butler pantry to solve that problem for you. Now, do you like entertaining, having people over watching the hockey game? Well, this property will not disappoint. We got loads of openness and area for all your friends and family. We got a beautiful balcony with a gas hookup for those great days on the barbecue. And as you can see, you're engulfed with natural light and warmed up by this electric fireplace. Could you ask for more? Ready to move in yet? If you want more information on your new home, our information's below. Give us a shout, or if you just want to see crazy property tours, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.